guys, nandito kami sa RV place. Ito ano, 21,999. No, I think that's only here. Ang daming RV dito guys. May small, may big. Ayan. Yung type na yan is, how big this one? Like 24?
Oh, that's small.
That's 21,000.
Yeah, this is
They have this one is small. We can go in.
Yeah, doors open.
So we can go in this, the 21,000.
Wow.
See this? Wow. Ooh. Take a look, guys. Yeah. Nice one. Yeah. And this is their kitchen. Oh, there are
Kind of refrigerator that we've got.
gas stove, there's oven. They have the refrigerator. I think they
Yeah,
have the bigger refrigerator.
yeah, and it's a tip out, but
And they
it's
have
only
here sounds, sounds, what do you call this?
sound
Wait,
system.
heater. This is the heater.
Yeah,
Flowers here. You can put your decoration, your books.
pretty small though.
And this is the room. Wow, and they have salamin there. The mirror. Yeah.
Here's the bathroom.
It's like a limited space, yan oh. Then may mirror din doon. I think this is the ano,
Wow, look
this
at
is
this.
the
This one's actually got a shut
pouring
off
your
back too.
closet. It's a closet. Your damit. See, and that's their living room. Here in a living room, and that's their table. Nice one. I like it. I like the chairs. It's more space.
Yeah, it is, but and it's got
And this
room
is
for a bed.
it's a pantries.
Yeah, a little pantry.
Yeah, pantries.
Shoot, it almost looks as big as ours, doesn't it?
May mga kids, so yan pwede din dito. Then ito another room sa baba.
Wow, look
And
at
that's their toilet, bathroom. Yes. Nice one, bathroom. Yeah.
yeah,
They
that's
have
what
mirror,
that is.
and
That's
this
a
is
bathroom.
another door.
Yeah,
This is
so
a
that you could
exit, exit door, see?
Yeah, so you can
For
accidentally open
emergency.
the door and catch somebody taking a dump.
And this is the shower,
Shower and
and
bath.
that their toilet. Yeah, nice one. Nice set. I like the way they organize.
Yeah.
May ano dyan, oh. May 2 rooms. So ito yung hagdanan. Nice one. Nice.
Come on, let's go take a look at some more. See, look at this. This is for
I
your
like the bed. Oh, this is the sink. That's
Yeah.
their sink.
single sink.
Yes, and this
What's
is
down
their
below?
oven. The oven. I think that's for your stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's all your cabinets for extra putting some plates. Nice one. I like it. So let's take a look for another RV. Oh, see this.
I like the stairwell.
Wow, it's big.
The heck?
Nice one.
How come this is big?
Yeah, I like this.
It's
This is another
it's got the
room
open
here.
For the,
It's open room, and that's their
Yeah.
TV,
the only problem is when it rains, it's got to be closed up.
and that's their oven, microwave. That's their oven and gas stove. A nice one. Wala, nice gas stove, oh.
Mm-hmm. I
And
like
that's
the
the
refrigerator.
refrigerator.
I like that. Tip out. It's got 2 tip outs. It's got
And
this
this
one
is
and this
their
one.
microwave.
Yeah, small.
And I like this one because it's separate yung hugasan. I like that. Hugasan.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's only for ano guys? Oh no, wow, that's 39,400.
Yeah,
39,945.
it's only good for spaces where it
Yeah.
doesn't rain, because once it starts raining,
And
it
that's
leaks.
their ano table.
You have to close all this up.
And for living area table, this one, nice one. And this is what I like because big. It's big siya. Kaso lang mainit. Parang mainit naman siya. Wow. And this one here, that's another bed here. Yeah. Folding siya, folding bed. Yeah.
Ah,
And this is their toilet. Wow.
close the door when you're done.
Nice toilet, huh? The shower, their sink, and their mirror. Nice. Very nice. Tingnan natin to. Itong style.
$999.
Tingnan natin. Pasok tayo. O ito. Wow. So, meron diyang dalawang bed. Tagi-isang bed. Ayan. Good for 2 person.
Wow, little bit bigger.
Yeah, this one's a little bit bigger. So, this is the cooking stove.
Yep, and there's a little sink,
And the sink.
and there's your
There's
toilet,
the
so you can take a poop in front of everybody.
Wow! And this is the toilet.
Yeah,
Right here in front of the pagkainan.
yeah.
Ayan,
Look at that.
in the kitchen.
Yeah. Oh, and you know what's really nice is if you don't want anybody. Well, no, actually. I don't know what that's for.
Pero wala siyang shower. It's only toilet.
Yeah, you
And then dyan
gotta
yung-
take a shower outside.
For
most-
ano,
most likely.
pagkainan.
Huh. Wow.
This is a good 2 person actually, right?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, 2 people.
Meron silang pa-mirror dyan. Then yung toilet. Sa harap ng ano. Dito talaga, pagpasok mo, meron na siya agad toilet. So, price dito guys ay nasa 15,950. Ang original price niya siya, nasa 21. Ayan. Yan.
Probably, I don't know, like about a
14?
14-footer.
Yeah, 14. Take a look inside, guys. Wow, and this their sink and their cooking
Wow.
area, and that's their oven.
That'd be something that you'd want.
And
Of course it will.
this is the
Move aside.
table,
What do you mean it
and
won't
this
open?
the TV,
It's a bathroom and shower all in one.
and this is the refrigerator. A small refrigerator.
How do you
See?
go to side?
And this is their bathroom,
It's
shower,
like shower and everything else.
and their toilet. Ang liit lang talaga siya. Ayan o.
Yeah, it does.
Super liit.
This is sleeping. What it does is it drops down.
Ah, okay. So, this one, table, pwede na siyang gawing bed. Double purpose. Pero, this one is only for 1 person. Good for 1 person. So, ang price niya ay nasa 20. Before, is 24,000. Now, sale na lang siya ng 17,500. Yan, ang liit. Let's check this one. See? Iba, ito naman, iba yung style. So, tingnan natin sa loob. Uy. So, ito yung sa loob. Nandyan yung lutuan, yung gas stove, tsaka oven. And ito yung bed. Ito yung bed na. Limited space lang siya. I don't like it. And the price is before 17,000. Ayan. So, now naging 13,000 na lang. Sale na siya. So, ito yung kitchen. kitchen sink. Then, nandyan yung heater. May maliit na refrigerator. Tsaka ito yung kanila table. Ayan. Maliit siya, guys. Hindi siya, it's good for 2 person. Yung, yeah. Kung gusto nyo as in makasave ng pera, for ano, ito lang, okay na siya, di ba? Maganda to, ito na kasi bagay to sa mga camping area. Sa mga magka-camping, they love travel, so pwede itong dalhin. Kung malapit kayo sa dagat. This is good. This is good for 2 person. For 1 person actually. Ayan siya.